This is the model of the molecular structure of methane, which contain 1 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. See, this is the structure of methane.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's in this video we are going to learn hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is a compound which is basically made up of a hydrogens and carbon atom only. So they form the basic of organic chemistry. So in our everyday life we are using petrol, LPG and natural gas. These are all made up of a hydrocarbons. So there are two type of hydrocarbons. One is saturated hydrocarbons. They are alkanes with a single bond, and the unsaturated hydrocarbons, they are alkynes with a double and triple bond. Some of the hydrocarbons like benzenes are aromatic in nature and having a ring-like structure. So from the fuel to plastics, all compounds are made up of a hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons are very essential use in our day-to-day life activities. So today's class is going to be very interesting because today we are going to prepare a model of the first members of alkane family, that is methane. Methane is the first members of alkane family. Let's have a look how its structural formula and the molecular formula. So this is the hydrocarbons alkanes family. The first member is methane, METHANE, methane. Another formula is CnH2n plus 2. So meth means 1 carbon. So if I put n is equal to 1, then the molecular structure will be CH 2 into 1 2 plus 2, that is 4. CH4 is the molecular formula of methane, and the structural formula will be C can hold 4 hydrogen atoms. C is the carbon atoms which can hold 4 hydrogen atoms. This is the structural formula of methane, and CH4 is the molecular formula of methane. So in this video we are going to prepare the model of methane, and that will be very interesting. So methane having 1 carbons and the 4 hydrogen atoms.
So this is nothing but the molecular structure of methane, CH4. Here at the center, that is the carbon, which is black in color, and the rest are hydrogen atoms, that is different in color. This is the structure of the methane, molecular structure of methane, which contains 1 carbons and 4 hydrogen atoms. If I count, see, there are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 hydrogen atom. At the center there is a 1 carbons.